On today's program, I'm pleased to welcome Jasmine Richards. She's the ARCSI coordinator for ISSA, ARCSI being the residential arm of the association. Jasmine, welcome.
Hi, Jeff. How are you?
I'm good. How are things where you are?
Cold, very cold.
So it's winter is coming. If you're
Yeah,
watching this next summer, you'll wonder what are they talking about? But it is
I'm telling you,
it
I'm
is the
telling you.
fall of
Yeah,
2022 right now.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's crazy. The weather's changing, but we'll deal with it. We'll bundle up when we need to.
There you go.
But let's get to know you, Jasmine, a little bit and your role with ARCSI. Just in case some don't know what ARCSI is, tell us what it is and what it does for the industry.
Yeah, so ARCSI is the residential arm. We basically cater to all residential companies. And what we do, we offer different products for our members and different services, including education. We have free live webinars that we offer. We offer different products and services for our members for basically the residential cleaning companies. We also have different certifications that we offer that our residential members can partake in.
Tell us about your journey to ISSA and
Okay.
your specific role with ARCSI.
Okay, yes. So I started my professional career as an educator. I was an English teacher for 7 years. Yeah, so after 7 years, the pandemic hit. Unfortunately, unforeseen circumstances arose, and I had to retire from education, unfortunately, and it led me into a coordinator role at a university. I loved it so much. I really loved the coordinator position and transition into position like this. And I realized, man, I really do love coordinating, but I really had trouble with my work-life balance on my previous job. So ARCSI had an opening for a residential coordinator, and when I read the description, I was like, oh, this is for me. The duties and responsibilities are things that were pretty much aligned with everything I was doing prep at the time, and I really enjoyed doing those things. But I was really big on work-life balance, and I got the position and ARCSI, and I wasn't wrong. I mean, the work-life balance is great. Everyone is so nice. I will tell you that it's been amazing.
Yeah, very good. So, Jasmine, you mentioned the webinars and what ARCSI does for members. If someone wants to take advantage of the programming, what do they do?
So what they need to do, they can either reach out to me via email, or they can call us, or they can visit our website. That's the easiest way, ISSA.com or ARCSIlearning.com. And we can definitely help them with moving forward with becoming a member of ARCSI.
Oh, very good. Yeah, as a former English teacher, I'm a little worried about you seeing some of our publications and the typos we might have, but hopefully you'll never see them.
Listen, it's so funny when I'm doing little things, some of my work, and I have to do some editing sometimes. I try to stop with the red pen. I'm like, it's so much I be wanting. I'm like, okay, let's slow it down. Don't go into English teacher maniac right now. Just keep it calm. So yeah.
It's part of you. I guess when I see your webinars moving forward, I'll look for your typos. You might leave some.
Hey, mate.
No, I'm sure they're nice and clean. And I've seen a few of the webinars ARCSI puts on fantastic content. So
Yeah.
good work with that.
Awesome. Yeah.
Let's talk about what you think so far of this industry. You're fairly new to it.
Mm-hmm.
Anything surprising or interesting to you so far?
Yes, like I mentioned, I've come from the education industry, been in that industry for a while, and moving to the cleaning industry. I was very surprised by how innovative it is and how everyone is pretty much up to par with everything that's going on. The world keeps moving. We don't stop. The world is changing. And I love the way that ISSA and ARCSI pretty much keeps up with that. And you guys are always coming up with different ideas and new and creative ways to, cater to our members and our consumers. So I really love how innovative the company is.
Yeah, well, you're part of it now. So
Yeah,
it's a team effort, and our
right,
members do appreciate all that we do. So
right.
thank you for your role, Jasmine. Uh, as you move into this role, as time goes on, what do you look forward to the most?
I look forward to, I'm fairly new still, but I really look forward to learning more and growing more and establishing more relationships with my colleagues and my members. Having that open line of communication is always important, with whether it's with your colleagues or our members. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting to know people more and learning more about the industry as time goes on.
Yeah, lots to learn. So that's
Yes,
cool.
yes.
All right. So we've covered a lot of the business content. We want to get to know you and what you do with ARCSI. Let's talk about your personal life. Where are you from? And tell us about your family.
Yes, so I'm originally from a small town in Alabama. You would never know, it's called Lower Peachtree, very small.
Oh, I know
Um,
that place. No, I'm kidding.
no, listen, Jeff, you got me for a minute for a second there. But yeah, from a small town in Alabama. I went to college at the University of Alabama, Roll Tide. So I'm a big football fan.
Oh,
Yeah, so right now I currently reside in Montgomery, Alabama, the capital city. And I'm also I'm married my college sweetheart, and I have two daughters, Ava, 5, and Mackenzie, 10. So two
oh,
girls, fun, never a dull moment in our household. So yeah, just going through life trying to get them up and having fun being a mom. It's always interesting and there's always things to learn, but it's been a
yeah.
journey, but I loved it.
Like many, you're working remotely. I can see your home office there. Kids are always probably around and doing things. So a lot of work
Yes.
balance, work-life balance
Very
happening there.
right, right.
But I'm
That's
sure your
very
kids
important.
are well behaved and never get in the way.
Listen, they're always behaving, never get in the way.
All right.
Oh, we can only wish, but yeah, they're great girls. I love them. They're so entertaining and fun, and I just love having them around.
Yeah. Family is great.
Yes, yes.
What do you do for fun or hobbies? Things like that.
Well, I spend a lot of time with my girls. We do things, we go roller skating, parks and recreation, things like that. But for my own personal time, I hate to say it, Jeff, I'm a big Housewives fan. Don't kill me for that, but I love binge watching TV shows and get into that world. And I think I'm pretty into the arts also. I love writing and things like that. So I love to do that on my spare time. I actually minored in writing in college. So I love writing and things of that nature. So yeah, I'm not a very exciting person, but I do what I can when I can.
So, yeah, you're kind of telling me stuff that maybe we'll have you do media work if you
Hey, you never know.
never know is right.
Yeah.
Growing up, what did you want to do with your life? Are you where you wanted to be?
Actually, I am. I
Okay.
always wanted, girl, all the people always say girls, we always grow up to dream, have our family, your career, your little picky house on the things. But I really love where I am right now. I especially love, I feel like I pinch myself every day I wake up, Jeff, and like, oh, I can't believe I'm doing this is where I am. I'm just loving it. ISSA and working with ARCSI has just been, it just came into my life right on time. And I just feel like I'm going through life now with a purpose and I love helping everyone. So growing up, you would never think I always wanted to be like a screenwriter type thing. Always like I said, I love watching TV, love the entertainment business itself, but I didn't want to be like a actress or actor. I always wanted to be like the behind the scenes person writing
Okay.
scripts and things. So I always growing up, I wanted to do things of that nature. But I love where I am right now and things I've accomplished in life. Pretty awesome.
You can use a lot of that with developing content for our
Right.
association, our members, the global cleaning community. So you never
Right.
know. You never
Never know,
know.
Jeff. That's what I love. That's why I was like thinking, like, gosh, there are so many, like I said, ISSA is so innovative and so forward moving, and you guys offer so many different we have so many different things, and I just love working here. I love it.
Yeah. So thinking about the future, what are your dreams, hopes, and ambitions?
Oh man, that's our big question.
Yeah.
My goals are really just to just learn more, grow more, establish positive, healthy relationships with colleagues and members and everyone around me. That's the big thing. My motto in life is always be a lifelong learner, and that's what I strive to do. So no matter where I am in life, what I'm doing, I always strive to learn more, grow more. I just never like staying complacent and stagnant in one spot. I just always like growing and that's really just my dreams and take me wherever life takes me. That's where hopefully where I'm supposed to be.
Well, I love your energy and welcome to the ISSA family and ARCSI. Looking forward to working with you as years go by.
Thank you, Jeff.